Hello students, welcome to Infotech Pathshala. In this video, you are going to learn how to compute x raised to power n. You will be getting more practical solutions in this channel. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel, so please do subscribe to get the latest update. So let's start. I'll explain what is x raised to power n first. For example, as you can see on my screen, 4 raised to power 3 is given. That means 4 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. And in this case, base is 4 and exponent is 3. So let's begin with the code. By using def statement, I've declared a function over here named power, which will accept two arguments a and b, and a is the base and b is the exponent. Here j variable is declared, which will contain 1 initially. Why 1? Because I'm going to store intermediate multiplication result in this j, and if you will take 0 over here, so any number multiplied by 0 you will get 0. So that's why this variable is initialized by 1. And in the next statement, for loop is running, which will run from 1 to b plus n. Okay, I mean b plus 1. And here j equals to a multiplied by j. As you can see on the screen, this loop will run 3 times, 1 2 3. When I value will be 1, then j is initially 1 and a will remain 4. And over here 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. And when I value will become 2, j value will become 4, because in the last step 4 value uh, is being stored in j. So 4 multiplied by 4 you will get 16. Now j is 16 and a is still 4, so 16 multiplied by 4 is equals to 64. So after coming out from this loop, j will contain 64 and we are returning this j value. And in the next two statements, I'm accepting base and exponent from the user, which will be converted into its equivalent value. So that's why int function is used. And over here I'm calling this function base, power function I'm calling, which will accept base and exponent. So let's see how it works practically. I'm running this program. It is asking me to enter base. I'll enter 5, and exponent of base I'm taking 3. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, you'll get 125. So as you can see on the screen, you are getting correct result. Thank you. I hope you all have understood.